Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to talk about some mascara. Please excuse my hair. I feel like the last few videos I have done, it was the day that I shampooed my hair and I've not done anything with it yet. So you're getting to see it looking all frizzy and floppy. I haven't even rolled it. But what I did, on Facebook, I was like seeing these videos about this mascara that's supposed to like build fibers up into your lashes, and I was kind of curious because I thought, I still love my false lashes, love them, but wouldn't it be nice that the days I go to the pool or to the beach or something that I could have a mascara that builds them and makes them thicker looking and everything. So I didn't want to order the one on Facebook that I saw, and I thought, so I did a little research online and I found this. Look, I just bought this, okay? So it's by Loreal, Voluminous X Fiber. So we're going to, well, say we, it's just me. I'm going to give this a go and see what I think. Well, let's begin. And oh, before I begin any further, right now I do have false lashes on. I've switched them out a little bit. I've gone with Kiss lashes because when we moved, it was really difficult for me to find what I was liking. And so I bought Kiss, and it's Poise, P-O-I-S-E. Those are the lashes. And then, but I like them because they're really natural looking. They're actually the same length as my own lashes. But as I've told you before, my real lashes are really straight and really blonde. And so this is nice because I can, when I put them on, I can tell they match. But then I put the mascara on and they look more like my real lashes and they don't look as fake. So I'm going to zoom in on what I have on, and then I'll show you my real lashes, and we're gonna give this a go. All right, so pulling my hair back. I am trying to find the instructions written somewhere on here, and it's really weird. I don't find the instructions anywhere, honestly. So that's kind of, so I'm assuming that the fibers go on first and then the mascara, but I don't know if then I go fibers, mascara, fiber, mascara. So, or do you just keep building fibers, 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 and then when they're the length, then you do mascara? I don't know. So we're just gonna, maybe I'll do each eye differently. That's what I'll do. I'll do that. Okay. So here we go. We're gonna zoom in on my eyes. Okay. I don't even know where to look. I'll do this. Okay, so there we go. All right. Okay, so here are my eyes again. All right. Okay. Oh, it just feels so weird. Okay. Let's see. We'll try. I'm gonna try to close my eyes too. I won't know if this worked until I actually edit the video, and then I'll know. Okay, so I got my lash curler. I got my mirror. Here we go. I'm gonna do this 1 and 2. So I'm going to do one first. I'm going to do one on each eye, okay? Put this over there. This is one. And I did look like how to do this on YouTube, and it looks like you're supposed to like twist it and roll it around. So I'm going to give it a go, okay, y'all? Okay. All right, so that is one coat. I'm going to put this back on because I did read that they said that this dried quickly. That was like one of the complaints. So let's look at one coat of just the fibers. Here we go. All right. I thought it looked pretty cool. It looks like it is building. Let me see if it looks like they're curling at all. Okay. Actually, I think I like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do, I think I'm gonna do a second coat of the fibers because I feel like that's what I'm supposed to do. I think I'm supposed to keep doing the fibers until I'm sorry, you probably think what I'm looking at, I'm like looking at this just hoping for more instructions that I missed because my eyesight is really bad. But I'm gonna keep building the fibers until I like it. That's what I think I'm supposed to do. So, coat 2. All right, so here's the second coat. All right, here we go. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. And then close my eyes. All right. Trying to decide if I should do one more coat. I say let's go for it. Alright, so I'm gonna do one more coat of the primer. Yeah, actually, oh, this isn't really that bad at all. Okay, I'm gonna give it another go. All right. Okay. I'm looking at this picture here, like this sample picture. Now, granted, she has on the mascara and eyeliner, but remember, I'm just trying to go for like if I was going to the pool or something like that. Like, would I like that? And I don't have the mascara on yet, but so far I really like it. I feel like it has built my lashes. It's made them stand out a little bit more. I don't know if it's made them any longer, I'll be honest with you. And but it's made them stand out more. So now we're going to finish up with the top coat with the mascara, okay? Okay, now let's zoom in again. I hate zooming in on my face because y'all can probably like see like all my flaws. All right, so here we go. I hope the lighting is good with this. Okay, so here's my conclusion on the mascara. It is by L'Oreal, and it is called their Superstar X Fiber. And I have it on right now, and so let me show you a little closer. Okay, so my conclusion is that I actually really like it a whole lot. I still prefer my falsies because I feel like the falts are a little bit more uniform and look a little bit more perfect. And I like to try to like always look polished, and you know, if I'm going, you know, to work or something like that, it just has a certain look that I like. But if I wasn't into wearing false lashes, and if you're not into wearing false lashes, I actually think you'd be really pleased with this. And I'm going to still use this. In fact, I may give it a go on my false lashes. That may be something else I'll try. But definitely I'm gonna wear this like if I go to the pool, if I go to the beach. If I don't want to wear my false lashes, I don't, you know, I still want to have my eyes pop kind of. And so this is supposed to be waterproof and smudge proof. So I think you'd be very pleased with this, and I think it's worth the money. And I mean, it's at the drugstore, so you can't go wrong with that. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to subscribe, click over here. And if you want to check out my website, click over here. And if you want to watch my most recent video, which, I mean, not my most recent, but the one about me talking about my lipstick and lip liner, definitely click over here. And then if you want to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, all of that is Sheri LaBrant. So please tell other people, and if there's like other things that you want me to discuss, let me know and comment below. Thank you very much, and y'all have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye.